I do. It is a Category 2 hurricane right now, and don't let that make you think that this has lost a lot of strength. Sure, it's a Category 2, but it's still a problem and will be for our coastline too. Not just our coastline, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina all going to feel effects. 110-mile-per-hour winds right now, 125-mile-per-hour gust. The eye wall actually getting significantly smaller. There you go, and this is grazing Florida, but it'll continue to come up as a Category 2 through Thursday and then into Friday from Charleston all the way up to Hatteras. That covers our coastline. So there you go. This is where we're going to see the effects for us. And when I say we're going to see the effects, I mean this could easily land inland or offshore. So the winds are to the east of the storm, but there is a chance, again, that this could land inland, and we'll be watching for that to see if it happens. You can see the spaghetti plot here coming in, and they're all pretty much in agreement right now, just on the edge of the coastline there. So it'll be a wait-and-see type of situation. But we've got something pretty serious here, a storm surge warning in effect until Friday at 2:07 p.m. for Hanahan, Johns Island, Mount Pleasant, and North Charleston. And then as we zoom in to the Carolina coast, we've got a storm surge watch in effect until 1:56 p.m. on Friday for Little River, Masonboro, Myrtle Beach, and Wilmington. But that brings me to this. We even have watches inland. So far inland, it's close to the triangle. Right here, we've got tropical storm watches in the salmon color. And then down here, we've got the hurricane watches on the coastline. You're looking anywhere from Wilmington, further south as well, but Wilmington all the way through Davis, Hatteras, and all the way close to Elizabeth City. Very serious situation that we are going to be watching. The impacts for us here in the Piedmont, we could see a few rain showers here in the immediate Piedmont on Thursday. You know, less than half an inch though expected, and wind gusts could reach up to about 25 miles an hour from what I'm seeing right now, but that is could change. So the rainfall models indicate that in Myrtle Beach you could see close to 10 inches of rain, almost 6 in Wilmington. And the European model, it felt a little differently earlier, and I just checked it before we came on the air. It's in a little bit more of an agreement toward Wilmington, and then close to 5 inches there in Myrtle Beach is what it's saying. Nothing on radar for us today though. It's a beautiful day for you to enjoy. A little bit of ground clutter, but that's nothing that you need to worry about. It's not rain. I know it's green, looks like rain, but it's not. So over the next 3 days, take a look. We are going to be in the 90s tomorrow. It's downright hot, but it's going to be beautiful. I want you though to remember the sunscreen tomorrow here locally at home. A small chance for a shower, you know, pop up. But Thursday's the big day. That's when we're going to feel the effects of Dorian. We'll be at 78 degrees for Thursday as the storm comes through. Again, for us here in the Piedmont, it's not as big of a deal as it is on the coast. But we will see a few showers, and wind gust again will reach the mid-20s potentially. 85 by Friday. You're going to have a beautiful day on Friday. Very small chances for rain, and you've got lows in the 60s and 70s throughout. So the good news is Dorian's out of here before this weekend.